I want to show you this new trade-in. I'm Jay with MarineMax Panama City, and we just took in this 2017 Starcraft 20EX. The boat has the very reliable Yamaha 94 stroke on it, and the trailer is included. So a couple of nice features that this boat has. Of course, the nice bimini top gives you about 8 foot of shade over the boat. You've got a captain's chair. You've got a bow table, which is also removable, and you also have a stereo. So for a 20-foot pontoon, Yamaha 94 stroke, very, very reliable. This is a great little boat to get you on the water. Come here and check it out in person here at Panama City MarineMax. Thank you.